Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to tutorial number 3 of the WordPress. In the first tutorial, we learned how you can install WordPress using the Cpanel. In the second tutorial, we learned how the dashboard of the WordPress works. And in today's tutorial, we are going to install a theme that we have purchased or downloaded to the WordPress website. Now, in this video, we will see a lot of problems that usually comes when you are installing a theme into a WordPress website. So let's start. I already have downloaded a theme by the name of SaaSland. Now, let's see and upload the SaaSland theme to this website. So we click here the choose file, and I would just select my WordPress theme of the SaaSland from the window that is opened. You might not see it, and if you can see it, so that's great. And I would just select the theme and install now. Now it will take its time to upload the theme to the WordPress and then activate it. And we may have some problems across while installing it, so we will see what we can do to address those problems. So while this theme is being installed and we are waiting for it, so let's explore how you can find the themes for your website. Okay, so it says the link you followed has expired. Now, when you see this problem, there might be some issues with this. So to resolve it, we would just like it the link you followed has expired WordPress. Now what does it mean? So you already get the solution to that on the very first page. So let's see what is the solution. So the solution that it gives us is that the maximum upload size is maybe wrong. So let's see how we can increase the maximum upload size. So just increasing the limits, okay, fixing by increasing the limits in htacess, okay, php.ini, okay. Let's do it now. We can do it by only one method that we can use. So let's go to the client area, we go to the services, and then we log into the Cpanel of our domain and hosting. So log into Cpanel, and then let's have the maybe the PhpIni editor, or we then have to go to the file manager to access. So let's check here PHP. Oh, so we have the multi PhpIni editor. So we are basically doing it changing this file php.ini, right? So let's see what options do we have here. Select a domain, okay. So that is for the home directory and it's solutions pk. So seems like we don't have the option to change the /trainings domain here. So we now have to move on to the file manager thing, right? So let's access the file manager. Here we go. So we go to the file manager, and then let's see how we can fix it. Okay, so we go here to the file name was .htaccess, or in the public HTML we would see the trainings over here. So this is the WordPress installation that we have, and we have to change this .htaccess file. So we edit the option here, we edit it, and let's see what we could do here. So okay, we have the access file, and here what this says now, and add the following code inside. Okay, so we control C it, we come here, we add the files here, and we save changes, and then we go back here, we go back to our theme, we refresh the website, we upload the theme again here, the SaaSland same thing, and install now. So let's see what we get this time now. So while we are waiting for this, I also want you to get to know about where you can find themes for your website. So if it comes to WordPress, you could use your own this themes thing, and when you visit it here, so you will have these themes, so you can maybe see them and maybe do your own part here. Okay, so it again says the link you followed has expired. Now we have changed the ht.access file, but it still says the link you followed has expired. So let's see how we can make changes. If we go here and press the add new button, so let's see our maximum upload file size is 8 MB. Right, now let's see how we can change this thing. Right, so let's go again to the cPanel, and this time we could maybe use the php.ini file as well again. So we edit it, and we go here, we select this. Okay, so now here it shows us the 128 MB, the 60 MB enabled. Okay, then let's go for the home directory. It's here, the home directory is 8 MB, and the maximum execution is 30 seconds, so let's change it to 300. The maximum input time that we are about to give is okay, so the same. So the max size and upload max size, so the max size could be, you can say 128 MB, and the upload max, let's do it 128 as well. And let's see if we have some changes over here. So let's refresh this, and let's see if we have some changes. And boom, ladies and gentlemen, so you see that we changed the ht.access file, and now we changed this multi-PHP editing as well. So now we have the upload size revamped. Now let's again try how we can upload this. So let's do this thing, and I believe, let's see if we can achieve it this time. So the SaaSland.zip is being uploaded. So while it's uploaded, we just go back to these themes, and you can learn how you can be this, choose your own theme. So maybe you could use here, you could download it from here and then upload it to your theme maybe. Or on the other side, if you just go to the ThemeForest.net, so it also has a number of websites for you that you can buy. So suppose if I try for website WordPress theme, and here we will get these all options that we can buy and download and upload to our website. Okay, so feels like our theme worked and the theme has been installed to the WordPress website. Now once the theme is installed, it unpackages itself and install the theme to the website. That means that all the required plugins that it has, it will somehow give us the option to install them or review them. So let's see what we else have. So if we activate this plugin, theme installed successfully, we activate this theme. Let's see what we get after this. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you install a complete theme. Now I'm sure, okay, so it already has given us this notification that this theme requires the plugins. So we would just go to begin installing plugins. Now let's see what we get here when we install such themes to our website. Oh, wonderful. So let's install it one by one, or maybe all. So bulk, install, apply. Now let's see what happens if we have some sort of errors or not. Okay, so let's start installing the plugins. Installing the plugin Advanced Custom Fields Pro and this. So while these plugins are being installed, let's focus on how you could find your required theme. So you come here, you can either choose from here or you could choose a theme from over here. Now usually these has all sort of themes that you can buy and install to your website. So you have these themes, maybe you could write your own things such as the maybe consultancy WordPress theme. This will show you all the themes that you have and you will get what you are really looking for. So this is how we choose a theme, then upload it, and while uploading it, so you may have some errors that we have seen. So maybe while these are being installed, you could just make your own changes to the PHP or the INI and just go for it. So while we came to the plugin thing as well, so in WordPress we have plugins. Now plugins are basically something that really works when you really want to do something different that is not provided by the WordPress. So suppose if you want to have subscriptions, or if you want to have payments, or if you want to have some sort of animations on your website, so you could use these plugins to add more functionality to your amazing website. Now suppose we have the Yoast SEO. This is a plugin that improves your WordPress SEO. And same like that, we have a few other plugins that could help you along the website, but we will cover this in more detail when we are needing more plugin. So for instance, this plugin, the Advanced Custom Fields Pro. So this was used by the theme. So the theme automatically suggested us to have a WordPress plugin by the name this, and it will be used in the theme. Now there are other plugins like WooCommerce, Support Port. So this is for the live chat, this is for the shop thing, this is for Slider Revolution. We will see in a while and we will explore this theme as well. So this is how you can install a theme to your website, and once all the plugins have been installed, then you will be able to customize it, right? So this is a very good way to install themes to a website and then maybe edit them for the greater good. Other than that, when it comes to the WordPress, so you could also make your own theme. So there is one plugin that is called Elementor. In the Elementor you can create your own theme. So yes, boom, we have all installations completed. Now let's go back to the required plugin installer and see if there is anything left for us. Okay, so I installed. Now it's time to activate them. So I select them all, press the button activate and apply. Let's see what we get after this. And this is very amazing when I see like creating a website is so entertaining for me and so enlightening for me that most of the time when I'm working on a WordPress website, it really gathers or gets all of my energy. Now it may be the plugin installation or the theme installation but once you get a hold of a few basics, then you are able to do each and everything on the WordPress website. And these will take you from a basic to advanced and pro level developer WordPress. So now we have activated all the plugins. We have everything. Let's click return to a dashboard and see what happens next. And it's currently loading, so all the plugins were activated: the custom fields pro, the DT2 Dux framework, Elementor Air Zone, SaaSland core, contact form 7, one-click demo, start the revolution, support board, WooCommerce, and WooCommerce wishlist. Okay, so now as we have installed each and everything, now it's a setup wizard. Now let's see what is it. It must be for like WooCommerce or something that our website uses. Okay, right. So let's skip these details for now. We will configure it later when we really need them. Okay. Okay. So let's see how our website looks now. /trainings. And let's wait for how it looks like. Wow, wonderful. Amazing, right? So we have adopted the theme of the SaaSland, and now we could maybe use some things in order to have these pages, right? So let's see what do we have. If we go to the appearance, okay, Elementor, we have now some added features: the dashboard, the register/verify, posts, services, portfolios, themes, mega menu, headers, footers, and then the products, TI wishlist, templates, Elementor. This was the tool that I was talking about that is used to build beautiful websites. And then the appearance, plugins, users, tools, slider revolution, support board. So all in all, we have installed the theme, and now we are ready to customize our website according to what we are looking for. So in the next video, I will see you again, and we are going to cover about how we can use the current tools and templates of the WordPress dashboard to customize our website and make a new website for our company or client. So thank you very much everyone for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and do remember to share it with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.